So yun, magandang buhay baseball. So samahan niyo ulit ako sa live ni Coach Kyle. Ayun, almost everyday ganito yung routine natin. So ayan, samahan niyo ako sa buong maghapon ko. Let's go! So ang unang araw natin is dito sa cage ng Adamson. Tapos mamaya pupunta naman tayo sa cage ng dugout. So magtuturo tayo ng iba't ibang bata syempre. So let's go, ayan o. Nag-i-start na kami dito. So ayan. Ayan, so ito yung batting cage dito sa may Adamson. So ayan, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Ayan. So ayan, warm up na sila. So ayan, warm up. Lateral warm up. So kailangan buhayin muna natin ang kanilang dugo. Ayan. Load and swing. Ooh. Relax, load, fire. Ooh. Nakikita mo tong sim na to? Ang goal mo is to hit this part. Okay? Ang goal mo yan ito hindi itong top ng ball, hindi itong middle ng ball. Gusto ko inside the ball. Okay? Now, punch it. Punch it, tapos push it. Get it? Explosive So after you load, relax, then load, then punch and explode. Ready? Good job. Quick hand, solid. Quick hand. Woo. Swing. Now, ganito gagawin natin. Ang nangyayari kasi is maganda yung swing mo, kaso kulang sa power. Kasi yung drive ng bat mo, okay, so nagre-relay ka lang palagi sa katawan. So, nasa yung regular position mo. Ang pagpalo kasi, huwag ka lang mag-relay dito sa katawan mo. Ang palo is, yung power is nanggagaling dito. So, paano mo gagamitin yun? Hindi mo kasi ginagamit to. Okay, maganda yung swing mo, ang nangyayari, kulang lang sa power. Kasi kulang sa gamit dito. Now, sige, regular position, pigeon toe. Yan yung regular position mo. Okay? So, pag sinabi kong load, you step forward, then pasok mo to. No, you step forward, then okay, pasok mo to. Tignan mo si Coach Cal. From here, pasok. Can you do it? Pasok. Okay? Ready again. Relax. Then load. You step. Baba mo, baba. Yan! Load. Swing. Yan! Slow. When you swing, yes. Every time you swing, I want to see this hip will move. Quick and faster. Boom. Yeah. Quick, powerful. Yes, more. Now, can you do it while swinging? Okay? I want to see when you swing, explode at the same time. Ready? Yes! Go, go, go. Stay low. Good. 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 Nice. Ready. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Woo, I like your swing. Swing. Good, explosive, go, stay low, good. Continuous, Hugo, continuous, ready. Good, now, I want to see. Weight the ball here before you swing. Your goal is to bring back the ball there or bring back the ball to me. Okay? Ready. I crush you, Hugo, that's why. Ready, closer. Ready? Good, ready. Elbow high. Good. Oh! Wait, let's go. Ready. Closer to the plate. Ready. Let's go. Ooh! So yun, kakatapos namin dito sa may Adamson batting cage. So ayan, sunod-sunod yung mga tinuruan natin bata. So papunta na tayo ng dugout. Let's go! So yun, touchdown. Kakarating namin, ayun yung motor ko. So karating namin dito sa dugout. Kakabukas to. Solid! Boy, maghapon ka, whole day ka.
Siyempre.
So ayun yung dugout. Oh, ayan. Whole day, si Boss Johnson. Magandang buhay oh. Ang ganda ng jersey mo, boy
Understand? Open palm. Open palm. Ready?
Posture. Ready. Stay low. I want to see when you go down, stay on the 100% 50-50 stance. You got it? You got it? Got it? 50-50, not going on this side, not going on this way. I want to see 50-50 stance. Okay? Ready? Pag may gumugulong ng bola, dapat ganyan kayo sumalo. Ready? Nice. Now, last one. One clap. Okay, do it all the way. Non-stop. Okay? Imagine you're approaching a ground ball now. So, do it one way lang. Ready? Ready. One clap lang ha. Do it all the way. Ready? Yeah! Hey, high five. Good, good. Hey, one break. So yun, hindi ko na na-video yung pag-alis namin sa dugout. So ayan, tapos na yung maghapon. So pauwi na ako ng Tarlac. Let's go!